Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to import object and how to transform it in Mudbox. So let's get started. Alright, to start sculpting anything, we want an object. Let's import an object in Scene. As you can see here, at the top we have File, Edit, and Create. We are gonna click on Create. In drop down we have Mesh, Curves, Camera, Lights, Materials and Stencils. Okay, now, a question arises in your mind that what is mesh? Let me tell you, in computer graphic a mesh is the collection of vertices, edges, and faces that makes up a 3D object. A mesh defines the shape and contour of every 3D character and object, whether it be used for 3D animated film, advertising, or video games. Now click on Mesh. You can see here, there is bunch of presets available in Mesh. We have basic head, bull, car, cube, human body, plane, reptile, sphere, T-Rex, tree stump. You can use any one, but for beginner we are using cube. Just click on that. So now we have a cube. In order to work on this object we see that we have a transform. To transform any object go to Select, Move tool. It is at the bottom, just after Pose tools. Click on that. This transform is for movement that we can move our position along each one of these axes. To move it, simply to hover on top of the left click, and drag the arrow, and move it along the direction that you want. To rotate your object, click on Rotate tool. You can see here we have 3 axes to rotate our object: blue, red and green. Click on any one of the axes and drag your arrow. By this you can rotate your object. It can be helpful sometime. And the next one we have, Scale tool. Scale tool is used to scale our object by increasing and decreasing the size of object. To do this, click on Scale tool. Now click on any of the axes to increase and decrease the size of object. You can import any of the object, as you want in the scene. Let me import a bull, and then basic head. You can play around with this presets which are available in Mesh. And the last thing I want to tell you, please go and check that out. How does it work? How to import Mesh in Scene and how to transform it. See, these are all the basics in Mudbox. I know it will be boring in learning basic things, but after some class you will enjoy it in making good stuffs. If you still doesn't know the meaning of any tool, then you can simply hover your mouse on the tool. It will show you a full detail, like this. Okay, if you have any doubts then let us know in comment section. Like, share and subscribe our channel so that you don't miss anything. Alright. In the next class we will learn poly and subdivided in Mudbox. Goodbye for now, see you soon.